Managing construction schedules is hard. It's chaos out there. Whiteboards outdated by lunchtime, spreadsheets that no one is looking at, and you're spending hours on the phone trying to wrangle subcontractors that said they would be there and they're not. What if scheduling was easy and actually connected to what's happening on site? I'm Brendan from BuildPass, the designer behind BuildPass's newest feature, scheduling, the simplest, smartest way to manage your construction schedule. We've decided that life is too short for you to be spending your time building out schedules manually. Just tell us what the project is using your voice or with text, upload photos from your site, even just a whiteboard, and watch BuildPass create that schedule for you. So you've got a schedule in BuildPass. What's next? Well, drag and drop tasks, easily assign the subcontractors, they get notified, link task dependencies, set critical paths, and sleep happy knowing you've got your schedule in order. And the best part, when schedules change, as they inevitably will, BuildPass will keep the subbies in the loop for you. Automatic updates every step of the way. BuildPass scheduling is plugged into what's actually happening on site. See who's doing what and when, and if they're doing it safely, with a schedule that updates in real time. Ready to ditch the chaos and scheduling headaches? Try BuildPass Scheduling today.